With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
Tired of low-capacity humidifiers that leak and cause a lot of inconvenience when filling with water due to the need to turn them over? The TBI Pro Ultrasonic Humidifier with a top-filling design and a huge 6-liter water tank solves this problem by offering easy filling from above and long-term humidification of even the largest rooms. Touch buttons and clear LED display make the operation of the device fast and convenient. Control the level of humidity in the room, mist level, and status of temperature and water. The constant humidification function allows the device to provide optimally humidified air for large living rooms, bedrooms, and children's rooms. Convenient remote control makes it possible to change humidifier modes from anywhere in the room. Its 360-degree mist nozzle humidifies the air evenly and effectively. The humidifier offers a wide range of moisture variations, from 20 to 90%. A convenient 1 to 12 hours timer allows setting the humidifier for the specified time and automatically turns it off at the end of this period. Special sleep mode provides silent operation and LEDs turned off, an ideal option for light sleepers and children. Humidified air relieves coughs, softens allergic reactions, improves sleep and skin conditions, and makes it possible to completely relax in a healthy atmosphere. Let yourself breathe clean, healthy air and feel the difference with TBI Pro.